Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, till yesterday, the 4th class English we have completed three lessons we have completed. So, I hope you listen very carefully that lessons and you are going through the textbook and reading well and preparing for more to improve your knowledge. So here yesterday I explained you grammar part, that is degrees of comprehension. I am thinking that you have written your rough notebook some examples of these degrees of comprehension. So yesterday that topic has been completed. So today the fresh lesson, that is lesson number 4. The lesson number 4. That's lesson number 4. So the lesson number 4 is the lesson number 4 is the rainforest. The rainforest song. So here the rainforest song is telling, okay, what is the rainforest song? We will now go to by this poem. What is meant by the rainforest? It is one forest. So it is the name of one forest, rainforest. Here in the picture we are seeing here, it is a rainforest. So here this picture, this is a picture of a forest. Ante adavi yokka picture idi. So ikkada jantul, tiger, fishes, it is giraffe, monkey. We are seeing some animals here, and also see here we are seeing some rocks also here, green trees, as well as downish water also there. Here in the middle of that the water is also present here. So here again I am telling that is the rainforest song. Now I will teach you the rainforest song. What is meant by rainforest song? We will listen. So here Tony Mitton. So here, okay. So the rainforest song now I will continue for you. So it has done here. He given Tony Mitton. His name Tony Mitton. So his name is Tony Mitton here. So now I will go to the poem. Read the poem and learn it by heart. So he is asking to read the poem by the heart. So, forest my mother, feed me your fruits. Forest my father, trace me my roots. Forest my shelter, spread me your shade. As I walk in the glow of your green forest glad. Here what he is saying, forest is my mother. So he is thinking here, he is singing by what he is telling for the forest she is my mother. Forest is my mother, feed me your fruit. So here forest is mother of he is telling na yokka amma naku feed ante it will give fruits for me. Next, father is my father. Forest is my father, trace me my roots. He will trace the roots. He is a father, forest. Father is my shelter, spread me your shade. So forest is also his shelter. Shelter means ఎక్కడైతే నివసించడానికి ఉంటుందో అది కూడా ఫారెస్ట్ అని చెప్తున్నా. యాజ్ ఐ వాక్ ద గ్లో ఆఫ్ యువర్ గ్రీన్ ఫారెస్ట్ గ్లాడ్. ఈ విల్ వాక్, గ్లాడ్ అంటే చాలా గర్వంగా, గ్లాడ్గా హీ విల్ గో త్రూ ద ఫారెస్ట్. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ విల్, ఫారెస్ట్ మై మదర్, ఫీడ్ మీ యువర్ ఫ్రూట్. ఫారెస్ట్ మై ఫాదర్, ట్రేస్ మీ మై రూట్. ఫారెస్ట్ మై షెల్టర్, స్ప్రెడ్ మీ యువర్ షెడ్. As I walk in the glow of your green forest glad. So this is the first stanza completed. Now moving to the second one. Father, forest of whispers and interactive ways. So here forest of whispers and intricate waves. Forest of splits that spill through your maze. So forest is my mystery, dark and deep. You glide like a snake through my walking and sleep. So here whispers. What is meant by whispers? Means speak very quietly. So speak very quickly. That interact the waves. So here interact the waves. Speak very quickly into the something we have on to. That is the meaning of whispers. Intricate. Intricate means what? It is a having many sounds to control. Forest of spirits. So the spill through your maze. Forest is my mystery. Means mystery means secret. Dark and deep. Dark means it is very chikatiga. Dark and it is very deep. You glide like a snake through my walking and sleeping. So it is a true. You are glide like my snake and through my walking and sleep. Next, it is as completed second one. Third one we are going to third stanzas. Forest, the home of animals, birds and man. What is he telling in this paragraph? In this stanza, forest, the home of animals. Home of animals means illu. Evariki? Animals ki, birds ki. And also man he is telling. Okay. Forest, the meaning I understood. Understand. Forest, the meaning I understand. Forest, the ground where I play my tread, where I breathe my being a pillow, my head. So here what he is telling, forest is one understanding. What is understanding? The ground which we place my tread. So where I breathe means swasa pీల్చుకోవడానికి began to pillow to my head. Now this is as completed the third one. The last, it is a very little bit poem is there. Forest, the world I depend upon. Where will I walk is my forest has gone. Forest is my the world. It is telling forest, the world I depend upon. Depend means depend upon. Forest, the world I depend upon. Where will I walk in my forest has gone. So it where we will walk in the forest it has been gone. So here the forest, about forest he has been told how much nice he has told by about forest. What he is telling, it is a father, mother and it is a shelter which they lives there. So to glad whenever they want they used to walk in the forest. Daily he will glad means garvanga ఆ ఫారెస్ట్లో తిరగడమైన ఫారెస్ట్ నా అమ్మ నా నాన్న తర్వాత నన్ను నివసించడానికి ఒక చోటు అని చెప్తున్నాడు ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. సెకండ్లో ఏం చెప్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ, అమేజింగ్ అంటే చాలా 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 ఉన్నాయన్నమాట అక్కడ. ఏవి అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఈ ఇండికేట్స్ టు టాక్, టు స్పిల్ట్, ఇంకా చీకటైనా ఎప్పుడు ఏది ఉన్నా తనకి ఏ సీక్రెట్ ఉన్నా ఏది ఉన్నా తనకి భయం అనేది లేదు ఈ ఫారెస్ట్లో. సో హీ ఈజ్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ టు బీ ఇన్ ద ఫారెస్ట్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ అ ఫారెస్ట్ ఈజ్ అ హోమ్ ఆఫ్. ఫారెస్ట్ ఎవరికి హోమ్? యానిమల్స్, బర్డ్స్ అండ్ మ్యాన్ అని కూడా చెప్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ మెయిన్ ఫారెస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ మెయిన్ యానిమల్స్ అండ్ బర్డ్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ మోస్ట్లీ ద యానిమల్స్ అండ్ బర్డ్స్ విల్ లివ్ ఇన్ ద ఫారెస్ట్ బికాస్ ద సేఫ్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్. అంటే సేఫ్ ప్లేస్ ఏది యానిమల్స్కి అంటే అది అడవి. సో ఫారెస్ట్ని మనం తెలుగులో అడవి అంటాం. సో ఇక్కడ ఫారెస్ట్కి మీనింగ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, తను ఏం అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నారు అంటే ఇది గ్రౌండ్, ఇది ఒక ప్లే గ్రౌండ్ లాగా. అవి ఆడుకోవడానికైనా ఏది పడుకోవడానికైనా ఆడుకోవడానికి ఏం చేయాలన్నా వాళ్ళకి అక్కడ గ్రౌండ్ అనేది ఈ యొక్క ఫారెస్ట్ గ్రౌండ్ లాంటిది. సో తను ఊపిరి పీల్చుకొని హాయిగా నిద్రపోవడానికి కూడా ఈ యొక్క ఫారెస్ట్ తనకి చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. సో ఫారెస్ట్ లాస్ట్ వన్, ఫారెస్ట్ ద వరల్డ్ ఐ డిపెండ్ అపాన్ అంటే తను డిపెండ్ అపాన్ అంటే తను ఆధారపడి ఉన్న ఫారెస్ట్. వేర్ విల్ ఐ వాక్ ఇఫ్ మై ఫారెస్ట్ హ్యాస్ గాన్. ఈస్ టెలింగ్ వేర్ విల్ ఐ వాక్ అంటే నా ఫారెస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతే నేను ఇక్కడ నడవాలి అనేసి ఈ యొక్క పోయంలో చెప్తున్నారు. సో ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్, తెలుగు ఆల్సో వన్స్ స్మాల్లీ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. సో సీ హౌ మచ్ నైస్. సో స్మాల్ homework I will give for you. So in the class also I used to give for you. The rainforest is there, no? So children, so draw this picture nicely. See how it is very cute picture and write the poem in your rough notebook. So write the poem in your books. It may be rough notebook, whatever may be, with the help of drawing. Draw it and write the poem in your rough notebook, whatever may be book, and mention the poem here. Okay, so here the poem has been completed. So here summative and formative assessment. I will go once. Which line indicates the following? So here he given some lines that indicates what he indicates. Forests are out our forefathers and have been there before us. The forest paths are uncovered and not straight. The forest has deep hide secrets. Forests are the home of all living beings. Humans are depend on forest. So it is he given some indicates. So here it is indicates or not. We should know about it. Okay, I will tell this one for 5 minutes. I will tell this one. Okay, so wait for it. I will tell for this. I will teach you this one. Which line indicates the following? Okay. So here, from the help of the key book, I will tell you the answers for you. So the first one is forests are the forefathers and have been therefore before us. The first one is forest, my father, trace me my roots. The first one is A1 is forest, my father, trace me my roots. Okay, the first one is that one. The A1 is forest, my father, trace me my roots. So this is the A1. So next B1 is what he given. The forest paths are covered and not straight. Forests of whispers are in intricate ways. The second one is B1 is forest of whispers and intricate ways. The C1 is the forest has deep hidden secrets. Forest of mystery, dark and deep. The third C1 is forest of mystery, dark and deep. The D1 is forest, the home of animals, birds, bird and man. Next E1 is forest, the world I depend upon. So here the 5 A, B, C, D, E given. Line indicates the following. Next, the correct words I have written on the blackboard for you. So this has been completed. Once again I will repeat you. Forest, my father, trace me my root. Forest of whisper and intricate ways. Forest of mystery, dark and deep. Forest, the home of animals and bird and man. Forest, the world I depend upon. So this one also completed. Next, the last bit is there. Forest is very important for us how to survive. It plays many roles in our life. Choose the role from the box, the best, describing the lines below. So here father, mother, home, teacher, protector. So he given 5 here. Gives us support, he is telling. The bit number 2. First one is gives support. who will give supports for us? Father. He is a root of a home. Next, second, this is A1, this is B1. Uses mysterious way to make us learn and understand. Teacher. This is the teacher who will teach you, and she will understand you, and she will give guidance to you. Next, gives us shade. Protector. Protector. So D1 is gives us food again. Mother. So who will give for you food in the home? Mother. Birds live in the trees. That is home. So here only I completed the bit number 1 and 2. So this is bit number 1. This is bit number 2. So here first one is gives us support. Father. Use mysterious ways to make learn and understand. Manaku teacher. Next gives us shed. Protector. Gives us food. Mother. Birds live in the trees. That is home. So with the help of textbook I completed this one. So this one also has been completed. So here a small picture is there. See, here also he given pictures. Down also he given the picture. We have completed with the help of textbook this lesson also. So over children. So read once again this lesson, this poem by heart, and through it twice you do this as a homework. I given for you this one. Draw the picture nicely and write the poem. Thank you children. Thank you very much.